Hi guys, Nikki, creator of Nicki's Homemade Crafts. Today I would like to teach you really quickly how to stop your long chain from twisting. You know when you make it really long and then suddenly it twists around? Well, that is not very fun when you need to connect it. So what you do is you put your hook into the very last chain, okay? You're pulling it tight like this. You're going back to the chain that you were just working on, and then you just keep on going like you normally would, and you just completely ignore that it's hanging right there. And let's say this is the end of your big long loop. Now you don't have to worry about whether it's twisted, because all you have to do is pull it through and have a slip stitch, and look, it's all straight, no twisting. I hope you like this video. Please share it and like it. Thank you. Bye.